A report on the YouTube channel of Zoological Society of Assam for the period of 14th April to 13th June 2020. The report has been edited and designed by M. Raj and published by the Zoological Society of Assam. न चोराहार्यं न च राजहार्यं न भ्रातृभाज्यं न च भारकारि व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यं विद्याधनं सर्वधन प्रधानम्. It cannot be stolen by thieves, nor can it be taken away by kings. It cannot be divided among brothers. It does not have a weight. If spent regularly, it always keeps growing. The wealth of knowledge is the most superior wealth of all. These are the contents of the report. Message from the President and General Secretary, Zoological Society of Assam. The Zoological Society of Assam ZSA was established in the year 1983 with its headquarters in the Department of Zoology of Guwahati University, Assam, India. Since its inception, the Society has been striving for developing zoological studies in the precious northeastern region of India. The ZSA has at present more than 100 branches in various colleges, universities in the state which have been working for the cause of preservation and conservation of biodiversity, making people aware of sustainable uses of bioresources, and also working for resolving many important environmental issues facing the region. This year, during this novel coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak and lockdown period in India, Professor Manideep Raj, a senior professor of Durham College, Tejpur, came up with an innovative idea of preparing a repository of open educational resources for UG and PG students of zoology studies at colleges and universities as per requirements of syllabi of all the universities in the state of Assam. The ZSA decided to go with this brilliant proposal and made Professor Manideep Raj as the program coordinator and started the work with the help of highly motivated hundreds of faculty members of colleges and universities, and also with many young research scholars who volunteered their services. The lectures, which are voice recorded PPTs, have been posted online through the ZSA YouTube online channel. Through this initiative, the students today have the freedom to listen to their syllabus-oriented lectures on their mobile handsets, computer, laptop, anywhere, anytime as per their convenience. The ZSA also launched another YouTube channel on environmental studies on 5th June World Environment Day 2020 for the students of arts, science and commerce. The Society seeks all possible cooperation and help from all concerned to help the students during this crisis moment. Signed by Priyabrata Lokar, President ZSA, and Dr. Jogin Chandra Kalita, General Secretary ZSA. The Genesis. An idea is but a seed. In looking for ways and means to reach out to the students in a meaningful manner during the COVID-19 pandemic, the idea of opening a YouTube channel in the name of the Zoological Society of Assam was mooted. The undersigned remains grateful to the entire zoological fraternity of Assam to have embraced the idea and provide a platform for the launch of the channel, the President and General Secretary of ZSA for their wholehearted support, and the professors and research scholars of various universities and colleges of Assam who dedicatedly put in long hours of hardship to prepare quality audio-embedded PPTs for the channel, which paved the way to nurture the idea to reality. Over and above, all of us remain indebted to our viewers, especially our students who have played a major role in the blossoming of this channel to its fulfillment. Signed by Manideep Raj, Coordinator, Online Educational Resource Program, Zoological Society of Assam. Here is a bird's eye view of the content of the two active channels. For the channel Zoological Society of Assam, the first video was uploaded on 14th April 2020 and till 13th June 2020, 61 videos have been uploaded on the channel so far. For the ZSA Environment channel, the first video was uploaded on 5th June 2020, which was World Environment Day, and 10 videos have been uploaded till 13th June. This is the subject-wise list of lectures published till 13th June 2020. Cell and Molecular Biology 16 lectures, Ecology 3 lectures, Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation and Management 7, Non-Chordates 5, Animal Behavior 6, Organic Evolution 4, Developmental Biology 5, Economic Zoology 4, Biostatistics 3, Biochemistry 1, Physiology 2, Immunology 2, Biotechnology 2, Histology 1, and a total of 61 lectures. This is the list of lectures posted in Cell and Molecular Biology. List of lectures posted in Ecology and in Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation and Management. List of lectures in Non-Chordates, Animal Behavior, and Organic Evolution. Lectures posted in Developmental Biology, Economic Zoology, and Biostatistics. Lectures posted in Biochemistry, Physiology, Immunology, Biotechnology, and Histology. The initiative has the involvement of faculties and research scholars from various universities, specifically Assam University, Assam Don Bosco University, Guwahati University, Bhattadev University, and Cotton University from Assam, Northeastern Hill University and University of Science and Technology from Meghalaya, and Brunel University, London. These are the colleges under Guwahati University who have taken part in the initiative. Colleges under Dibrugarh University, under Assam University, autonomous colleges, and junior colleges. Are contributors, that is, faculties and research scholars of universities of India and abroad. The number indicated in the superscript indicates the number of lectures uploaded by the person concerned. From Assam University, Dr. Shubhadeep Roy Chaudhary. From Assam Don Bosco University, Professor Shoibal Sengupta. From Bhattadev University, Dr. Akshay Kumar Haloi. From Cotton University, Dr. Tarali Kalita. From Guwahati University, Professor Jogin Chandra Kalita, Dr. Malabika Kakoti Hoikia, Dr. Bonoshri Mech, Dr. Manas Das, Paromita Chaudhary, Research Scholar. From USTM, Dr. Rashmimala Kakoti. From NEHU, Ashish Sarkar, Research Scholar. From Brunel University, Karanjit Das, Doctoral Researcher. Colleges under Guwahati University: Abhayapuri College, Dr. Pori Devi. Arya Vidyapit College, Dr. Chandashri Bhuiya, Dr. Jinu Lagachu, and Dr. Jayanta Gogoi. B. Borua College, Dr. Sabina Langthasa and Research Scholar Angana Das. Barnagar College, Dr. Sharmistha Chakraborty. Bishwanath College, Dr. Rahul Sharma. Durham College, Professor Manideep Raj, Dr. Rabindra Hajarika. Dr. Chittaranjan Borua, Dr. Nabanita Medhi, and Dr. Rajan Sharma from Department of Statistics. Guwahati College, Dr. Aarti Bairagi and Dr. Pinky Borua. Jagi Road College, Dr. Saptadeepa Roy. Nagaon College, Dr. Bhupen Chandra Shutia, Dr. Jyotishmita Das and Dr. Lalit M. Goswami. THP College, Dr. Sanjeev Upadhyay. Mangaldoy College, Dr. Major Leena Sekia. Sipajhar College, Mridusmita Mohanto. Colleges under Dibrugarh University. DKD College, Dr. Brishti Datta and Dr. Rupamani Thakur. DCB Girls College, Dr. Shamim Rehman. NN Sekia College, Dr. Mitali Chetia. Majuli College, Dr. Pallabi Duora. Colleges under Assam University. Kachar College Silchar, Dr. Neetu Devnath. GC College Silchar, Dr. Seba Roy. Autonomous College, North Lakhimpur College, Professor Ranjan Kumar Bora. Dimension Academy Junior College, Dr. Shushmita Singh. And non-affiliate Ms. Krishna Das. Topics contributed in the ZSA Environment Channel till 13th June 2020. Environmental Studies and Introduction. Environment and Introduction. Multidisciplinary nature of environmental studies. Scope of environmental studies. And importance of environmental studies. For each of these topics, 2 lectures have been posted, one each in English and SMS. This is a peep into the comments received by the YouTube channels. We will soon be launching Zoological Society of Assam.org, a dedicated website of the Zoological Society of Assam. Thank you so much.